What's the meaning of cutely? Cutely. Cutely.
Cutely. Cutely. The word cutely is an adverb used to describe something or someone in a charming or endearing manner. It implies a certain level of sweetness or innocence that elicits a positive emotional response from the observer. When applied to a person, it can also suggest a playful or mischievous quality that adds to their appeal. Essentially, cutely refers to qualities that are attractive or pleasing in a cute and adorable way, often causing one to feel affection or warmth towards the subject being described.